Have you ever felt like people hear you, but don't listen to you? Like you're in a group, you say something and nobody reacts. Then 2 minutes later, someone else says the exact same thing, and now everyone's nodding and laughing like it's genius? That's not bad luck. That's a lack of control. And I'm going to fix that. Because this world, it doesn't move for people who wait to be respected. It moves for the ones who take control silently. No screaming, no begging, no showing off. Let me show you 3 dangerous psychological tricks that, when done right, can make anyone trust you, follow you, or even fear disappointing you, without you raising your voice once. Number 1, control the pace, and you control the room. Next time you enter a room, I want you to slow down. Not because you're lazy, but because fast people look nervous, and nervous people never have power. Don't be the first to talk. Don't fidget. Don't smile too much. Just pause. Look around. Lock eyes. Let everyone feel your silence. And when you speak, slow, deep, no fillers. Speak like your words are facts, not suggestions. Why? Because in psychology, the one who controls the pacing controls the frame. And when you slow down the room, people subconsciously follow your rhythm. Ever seen a teacher lower their voice in a noisy class and then suddenly everyone goes silent to hear? That's control. That's how mafia bosses operate. That's how cult leaders command loyalty. People expect power to be loud, but real power, it whispers, and everyone leans in to hear it. Number 2, build emotional dependence. Without saying much, you want someone to follow you blindly? Then stop talking like a robot full of facts. Start feeling what they're not saying. Here's what you do. When you sense someone's off, don't throw solutions. Say this instead. You look off today. What's really going on? And then, shut up. Silence is where trust is born. Because people aren't used to being seen like that. They've got fake friends, noisy families, and social media that makes them feel invisible. So when you see through all that and ask a real question, they open up. And in that moment, something powerful happens. They tie your presence to their emotional relief. It's called emotional anchoring. And once someone connects their emotional safety to you, they'll do anything not to lose you. You don't need to impress them. You own them without ever saying it out loud. Ever had a friend you couldn't ignore no matter what? Exactly. Become that friend, but with control in mind. Number 3, leave blanks. Let them chase the rest. Most people think that if you say more, you'll be respected more. Wrong. Powerful people withhold information. They drop 80% of the sentence and let you fill the rest. It's called the information gap theory, and it's what makes cliffhangers, clickbait, and silence so powerful. Try this. Don't say, I had a tough week. Say, this week? You wouldn't believe what happened. Then pause. Look away. Let them ask. Because when people chase information from you, they start valuing everything you say. Now you're not seeking attention. You're creating curiosity. And curiosity is 10 times more addictive than validation. The trick? Say less with more meaning. Leave blanks. Let them chase. And once they start asking questions, you've already won. Final thoughts. Look, controlling people doesn't mean being toxic or manipulative. It means being so sharp with your presence, your silence, and your speech that people naturally lean in. It's not about being loud. It's about being undeniable. Ask yourself, how many people have silently controlled you all your life? The friend who made you feel inferior, the guy who made you seek his approval, the girl who kept you on edge with mixed signals. Enough. It's your turn to flip the script, to become someone they chase, not someone who keeps chasing. So if you're done being ignored, done being invisible, and ready to be the man everyone remembers even after you leave the room, then subscribe to the Control Code. Because I'm not here to motivate you, I'm here to arm you. And once you master this mental warfare, you won't need me or any video ever again.